Your hybrid battery relies on a dedicated cooling fan to prevent overheating and premature failure. When this fan gets clogged with dust, hair, and debris, battery temperatures spike and performance drops. Cleaning the hybrid battery cooling fan is a simple maintenance task that takes about 15 minutes and requires only basic hand tools. You do not need to be a professional mechanic to perform this essential service on your vehicle. The first step is locating the cooling fan intake, which is usually positioned in the rear seating area or cargo space of your hybrid. Consult your owner's manual to find the exact location of the intake vent and the fan assembly. Once you find the vent, use a trim removal tool or a screwdriver to carefully detach the plastic covers. Take your time to avoid snapping any of the plastic retention clips holding the interior panels together. With the outer covers removed, you will see the metal or plastic housing that protects the blower motor and the fan blades. You will typically need a 10mm socket and a ratchet to remove the bolts securing this housing. Unplug the electrical connector leading to the fan motor by pressing the release tab and pulling gently. Carefully lift the fan assembly out of the vehicle and place it on a clean workbench for the next steps. Look closely at the fan blades, and you will likely see a thick layer of dust and lint trapped inside. Use a soft bristled detailing brush to loosen the buildup from each individual blade. A can of compressed air is highly effective for blowing out the loosened dirt from the motor housing and the tight crevices. Make sure you hold the fan blades steady while using compressed air so you do not overspin and damage the electric motor. Before reinstalling the clean fan, take a moment to inspect the intake ductwork remaining inside the vehicle. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to pull out any loose debris resting in the plastic channels. Wiping down the vent covers and the surrounding trim panels with a microfiber cloth will also prevent old dust from immediately getting sucked back in. A clear pathway ensures maximum airflow reaches the hybrid battery pack. Slide the fan assembly back into its mounting position and hand thread the 10mm bolts to prevent cross-threading. Tighten the bolts down snugly with your ratchet and plug the electrical connector back into the motor until it clicks securely. Snap the interior trim panels and the vent covers back into place, ensuring all the clips engage fully. Your hybrid battery will now run significantly cooler, preserving its lifespan and maintaining optimal fuel efficiency on the road.